Hi, I'm Daniel Robb, hairstylist from Los Angeles, California, and today I'm going to show you how to use a blow dryer. You will need a blow dryer, brushes, hair clips, and a wet head of hair. So the first step before you turn on your blow dryer is to assess the head of hair that you're drying. My client here has very curly, coarse, thick hair. So for her specific hair type, look at the buttons, and for her I'm going to decide to use the high heat setting and the high speed or high airflow setting. That will ensure that I have a rapid drying procedure and our results are optimum for her hair type. If her hair was thin and fine, I would use a much cooler setting with a lower heat. So my next step, now that I've chosen my heat settings and my air settings, is to rough dry my client's hair. That means I'm going to turn the dryer on and blow her hair dry in a downward motion to get some of the moisture out before I actually go to step 3. At this point, I've got most of the moisture out of my client's hair, and I'm going to start sectioning for my blow dry. I take the top part of my client's hair, and you can use your fingers to do this. You don't need any kind of tool or brush. Twist the hair up on top of the head, clip it, and it's out of my way. I'll do the same thing with the sides. And the back. So what you have left is this lower area to start with. So at this point, all her hair is clipped up and out of my way, and I can now start blow drying my back section. Tilt the client's head downward and turn my dryer on the high heat and high airflow. Using my large round brush, I'll lift the hair up, place the brush underneath the hair, and start blowing it dry. So every blow dryer has a cooling button. That's this little button right here. The purpose of that cooling button is to cool down a section of hair while you're working on it when you get close to finishing that section. Whether you want the hair smooth or curly and you want to set that in, press the cooling button while you're working in that section. Apply the air to the hair as you run the brush through or as you curl the brush up, and you'll get your desired result. I'm Daniel Robb. Thank you for watching my video on how to use a blow dryer.